In education, it is not like 70% is okay. It should be 100% because every child is important. This impacts every child.
Well, the hope from our ecosystem is for these kids sitting right here, for us to be able to create an ecosystem where each one of them can individually attain the best potential that they do intend to, attain.
Confluence among the scholars, those who are working on the ground level, the faculty, are very, very important to understand this very complex system called education. This is actually a dialogue among all of us and how we can envision the future together.
Future readiness is a future that's not maybe a decade or a century away. I believe in the Indian context, the future is now for certain school systems. The future is yesterday.
Future readiness, I think, is two parts. One is perseverance. The world is getting far more complex and we just need people who have a lot more perseverance and character strength to be able to deal with it. And I think the other part of it is innovation and being able to do things differently. So students who can think creatively, be innovative and really come up with amazing solutions to the problems that we face, that is future ready students.
What does it take for our current education system to be ready? One, and one. Take care of the teacher. Right. For me, that's the most critical part. If we take care of the teacher, I think most of the problems with education will be taken care of. Right. It's the teacher that is missing somewhere.
I think maybe the most important characteristic which strikes me today is resilience and adaptation. And I think those are the two key terms for a future ready system. I think research enables us to develop understanding which informs practice. And I think that's what we need. It's not enough to feel we know what needs to be done, but we also need to think about why we think we know it.
I've learned a lot from listening to others in the panel discussions on teachers, on the future readiness part. I like the way research has now been conceptualized here. We are talking of research which can be actually implemented and which tells you what is worth doing or not doing.